Nambu Kurumjari. Good afternoon, everyone. Today, as you see, that we have a very beautiful crowd, and we have along with us Volcano, who is one of our celebrities. We also have Kaiku RK Rajkumar, who is with us, and all the people, all the supporters of BJP are enjoying the convention program, which is held in Pangmayban Hijam Lekai. And if you see, the crowd is still coming in today. We also have a lot of people coming from all the parts of Kendra, and we also have our senators here. Just to tell you that the music is really loud at the moment. However, I hope that I'm able to make sure that the viewers are listening to what I'm talking at the moment. So it was a great boost before the program. And we also have our guest Kishorji and our General Secretary of Pangmayban Mandal, Shri Bamkanji. Okay. And I will be taking some photos. Along with that, I am taking a video shoot at the moment. So a photo session along with the video that I'm taking at the moment. So I have the chance to take the photo as well as take the video simultaneously. So today I am actually trying to ask few questions to one of the chief guests today, and we will be talking about today's convention. Along with that, the BJP released 20 points of election manifesto, where it talks about the complete list of election promised by BJP. And the first point which we have is the territorial integrity, to protect the rights of the indigenous of Manipur. And also we do have another singer at the moment. So let us listen to it. Ladies and gentlemen, let's stop for a while she is singing. Shri Kishorji is coming all the way from Assam, and he is also the chairman of ASIDC, which is the chairman of small scale industry. He is also very specialized in skills development and many other various programs that he takes parts in it. So let's continue with the manifesto, which is the first point, which is already discussed, the integrity of our nation, of our Manipur borders. The second point we have is 2 free LPG cylinder, which is provided through the PM Ujjwal beneficiaries of the state. We also have the third point, which is free scooty will be provided to all the meritorious college-going girls of the state, and many other things like free laptops will be distributed to all the meritorious students passing class 12 to support their higher education. And many more as well. We also like to ask a few more details about the manifesto which is promised by BJP. Ladies and gentlemen, we have to stop for a while. There is an announcement.
Sri RK and Sir President BJP Time Mandal Kaiku and Sir Lankat Perandava Norman Sinjari Royana Apoy Pulama Ke Apoy Kaiku Sri Zutinwako Tamabangi BJP candidate Paviliba Kaiku Sri Zutinwako the election
Sri Jotin Waikumji.
Sri Sunata Pawai, Operator 125, Deputy Mayu, Kusuta Election Biramaba, Norman Sinjari, Loyana, Apogikai Kumasaniba, Piram Tabenda, Apogimabin Lairava. Inaugurou RK Kaiku Somenado XMP candidate Kusu Ukona Ikai Kuza Ucabanana Kai Selection Biramani Sinjari Loyana Apoye Mandal Sigi Apoye Office Biaro Biri Basing Apoye Dash Selection Biramani Sinjari Sri Ajay Pamai BP Sri N Morbi BP Time Mandal Loyana Apoye Mayam Apoye Moyante Megasandra BP Apoye Dash Selection Biramani Sinjari Loyana Iyama Apoye Naba Volcano BJP Manipur Pradesh Apoye Culture di Kamera Ubriba Yamba Musul Selection Biramani Sinjari Loyana Apoye X Apoye Mamanga Apoye Vice President Ubriba Yamba Apoye Bere Babu Bucu Dash Selection Biramani Norman Sinjari Apoye Film Star Campaigner Malen Namba Bucu Dash Selection Biramani Norman Sinjari Apoye Tharomasi Dash de Lenkanaba Kokochabani Adobu program di Honorable CM Lag Matungda Akoi Haunaba Taujagani
Okay, very quickly, I would like to also talk about the convention agreement, the accord.
Akoye
Okay, sorry for the inconvenience.
Apoye Morcha Singi Apoye President Obiba Apoye Obusi Mosa Apoye Jebal Laurembang Lorena Yuba Mosa Apoye Kutum Nares Lorena Apoye Maira Mosa Bibola Rema SD Mosa Patipun Palmai Lorena Working President Aduna Gambi Bucu Dash Selection Biramani Sinjari Lorena Kesol Rupadya Apoye Impan Sejak Desiki Insa Sobiba Kesol Rupadya Bucu Dash Selection Biramani Sinjari Lorena Apoye Ikai Kumaziriba TS Indira Bucu Dash Selection Biramani Sinjari FX Marketing Chairperson Lorena Apoye Mandal Singi Apoye core committee advisor whatever BJP Thailand model is surrounded with so by attention we have a Marunan missing Jali. Akwagi Mandan ki officer si miwala panjuda buku by attention kakapalama Marunan missing Jali. Agi Yamba LOB Kaiku Janiba Asigi Tolong Chega Mari Lena wa Apetong Torama Tologa Kazam Dinaba Apagi Maran Gas in Missing Jali Apagi N Mumbi Apagi Vice President BJP Thailand Mandal Apam Garakabinaba Narunan Missing Jali.
I'm really sorry we will not be able to continue with this video because the program has started already, and the rest of the questions that I wanted to ask, maybe we can do it in the next session. So this is one of the best convention today which is going to happen, and we are still waiting for our chief minister, our politician who was a former footballer as well as journalist, who is going to be arriving today due to some unforeseen circumstances. He is a bit late, but he will be coming very soon. The program has started, so I will take the next session of this video after some time. Thank you.
Adana dance the LinkedIn bill ba koi